Running this shit like a boss. 28 grams on the scale. Dope, leave it lost. Running this shit like a boss. 28 grams on the scale. Dope, leave it lost.
28 grams, I'ma whip it. I pop a molly so a nigga can't fall asleep. I'm in the studio, they calling me Hendrix, but the streets got me feeling like I'm Big Meech. I'm in the post-applied heat like I'm signed to Miami. I Sosa that dope like my first name was Sammy. Running that shit just like Emmitt Smith. Point him out, where he at? We gon' end it here. I cannot reason with nonsense. My voice is gon' seep in your conscience. I made it happen, what you thought was impossible. Police ass nigga looking just like a constable. 28 grams in a condo, bus or a train, I'm unstoppable. Show off all you want, my nigga, I promise you're so poppable. If money was a topic, you would pass. But if trap was a subject, I'm the head of my class. I went from the bricks just to shine with the glass. You came out the trench, but you sat on your ass. I cannot see why you're mad. I mean, damn, I've been at this shit faithfully. What is it really gonna take for me? You know what? Don't wait for me. I do the honor, these bitches are sharks and piranhas. I plead the fifth on the stand. I got a problem, I should probably go and see a doctor, but I got medicines. Feeling better than I ever been. On my Stanley Burrell, on my running man. Feeling better than I ever been. On my Stanley Burrell, on my running man.
Running this shit like a boss. 28 grams on the scale. Dope, leave it lost. Running this shit like a boss. 28 grams on the scale. Dope, leave it lost. Money don't sleep, so no time for no dream. Up in the kitchen, I'm whipping the cheese. Take mouth from me, nigga please. Smoke these motherfuckers like green leaves.